No.
I hate Kai, and you know that, and the first thing you did when I got back was throw him in my face to fake apologize.
Yeah, and then I real apologize for being a dick.
And here you are, less than 24 hours later, asking me to work with him.
Bunny, we need Kai to get to 1903. And we need Bennett blood to do the damn spell. Listen, we go in, we grab my mom, she flips Stefan's switch, he triggers Caroline, emotional dominoes, hey! Everybody wins!
If I give you my blood, will you just get out of my face?
Probably. Although, I think you're gonna want to join us. Stick with me, Bonnie Bennett. I might just have the answer to all your prayers.
The Vampire Diaries, all new episode this Thursday at 8/7 Central on the CW.